Hello guys and welcome to Python programming tutorials by Amal's Academy. So today onwards we'll start with a new series, that is what is the output series. In this I will give you a program. You need to guess the output of that program. After that we'll execute that program and I'll explain you the output. Okay, here is the first program. You need to pause the video and try to guess the output of this program. Now we will execute this program. So the output is false. So this is our program. Here we can see X is an empty list, and here we can see if else conditional statement. This if body will execute only when X value is true. Otherwise it will execute the else part. And here we can see X value is empty list. So in Python anything which is empty is treated as false. So here this condition become false. So it will execute the else part and it will print this message. That's why in the output we got false, that is else part. So in Python anything which is empty, like empty list, empty dictionary, empty tuple or none or empty string, which are all treated as false value. So here instead of list, if you mention empty tuple, answer is false. If you mention empty dictionary or if you mention none, this is the keyword, answer is false. Or if you mention empty string, false. 0, that is false. Or you mention the keyword false, X is false. So anything which is empty or 0 is treated as false in Python. So it will execute else part. So that's it for now. I will meet you in next tutorial with a new program. Till then, take care.